Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. Bad news for Airbus. 10 major setbacks. Airbus, one of the world's leading aircraft manufacturers, has seen its fair share of successes. However, the company has also faced significant setbacks in recent years. Here are 10 major issues that have posed challenges for Airbus. Delays in A321XLR certification. The Airbus A321XLR, a highly anticipated long-range narrow-body aircraft, has faced repeated certification delays. Originally expected to enter service in 2023, regulatory concerns over fuel tank safety have pushed the timeline back to at least 2024. These delays have frustrated airlines that were counting on the aircraft to expand long-haul routes efficiently. A350 paint defect disputes. Airbus has been embroiled in a legal battle with Qatar Airways over paint degradation on the A350. The airline claimed that the issue exposed potential safety risks, leading to the grounding of multiple aircraft. Although Airbus and Qatar Airways eventually settled the dispute, the controversy damaged Airbus's reputation and strained relations with other A350 customers. Supply chain disruptions. Like many aerospace companies, Airbus has struggled with supply chain shortages. A lack of essential components, such as engines and avionics, has slowed aircraft production. Suppliers, including engine manufacturers like Pratt & Whitney and CFM International, have been unable to meet demand, causing further bottlenecks. Loss of Emirates A350 order. Emirates, one of Airbus's key customers, recently hinted at concerns over its A350 order. While the airline has committed to the aircraft, it has also signaled potential order adjustments, which could impact Airbus's long-term sales strategy. If Emirates decides to shift toward Boeing's 787 or 777X, it could be a significant financial setback for Airbus. Weak demand for the A220. The Airbus A220, originally developed by Bombardier as the C-Series, has struggled to attract large-scale airline orders. While carriers like Delta and Air Baltic operate the aircraft successfully, Airbus has yet to break into major new markets with substantial orders. High production costs and supply chain challenges continue to hinder the A220 program's profitability. Challenges in the freighter market. Airbus launched the A350F to compete with Boeing's dominance in the cargo aircraft sector. However, Boeing's 777F and upcoming 777-8F still lead the market, with many major freight carriers, such as FedEx and UPS, sticking to Boeing. Airbus has struggled to secure significant A350F orders outside of a few key customers, putting its long-term freighter ambitions at risk. Engine reliability issues. Engine issues have plagued Airbus aircraft, particularly the Pratt & Whitney PW1100G engines used on the A320neo family. Airlines such as Indigo and Go First have faced severe disruptions due to premature engine wear, forcing aircraft groundings. While this is technically a supplier issue, it still affects Airbus's reliability perception. Boeing's comeback with the 787 and 737 MAX. Despite its previous setbacks, Boeing has made a strong comeback with rising orders for the 737 MAX and 787 Dreamliner. Airlines such as United, Ryanair, and Southwest continue to expand their Boeing fleets, posing stiff competition for Airbus's A320neo and A350 models. Boeing's resurgence threatens Airbus's market share, especially in North America. Sustainability and environmental criticism. Airbus has pledged to develop hydrogen-powered aircraft by 2035, but skepticism remains high. Many industry experts believe hydrogen technology is too expensive and impractical for large-scale adoption. Meanwhile, Airbus continues to face environmental criticism over emissions from its existing aircraft, adding pressure to develop sustainable solutions faster. Rising production costs. Inflation and labor shortages have increased Airbus's production costs. The cost of raw materials, such as aluminum and titanium, has surged, making aircraft production more expensive. Additionally, skilled labor shortages in Europe have slowed manufacturing, impacting delivery schedules. Conclusion. While Airbus remains a dominant force in aviation, These setbacks highlight the challenges it faces. Delays, supply chain disruptions, and competitive threats from Boeing continue to pose risks for the European aerospace giant. How Airbus navigates these difficulties will determine its long-term success in the industry. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.